Summer, what's the matter? Summer, what's wrong? Why are you sad? You're at the park to play. Why are you sad? Why are you sad? You want to go down the slide? No. Why not? Show everybody how you climb up there. Climb, climb, climb. You're a big girl. What? You can't do it? Why not? Oh, why can't you do it? Why can't you do it? Because you want to play baseball? But those are big guys playing baseball. They're playing a game. You could play baseball with your daddy, okay? Want to play?
Yeah.
Good job climbing. You can do it. You can do it. Good job. You can do it. Good job. You did